Are you having problems with the Shein puppy that keep expired and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So basically what I did myself is that I firstly closed the Shein app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on the settings app I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage in here. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all the apps that I'm currently having on my phone. So I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds here. Should be done any second here. Yep. So now when it's done, just swipe all the way up, click on search up top and search for Shein. Click on it, click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Just going to wait a couple of seconds here. So let's see, and then click on reinstall app button. So now when it's done, just go back into the app, try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.